Alright, so everything's sprayed on. The edges I left open. I have to trim the other side just for fitment issues of connection points and stuff. So anyways, there it is, and then you flip it over. And it needs to be trimmed. This stuff is the remnants of the black felt stuff, and it's horrible to get off. It's sticky and nasty, so use it on a surface that you don't care about or something you can clean off with Goo Gone. So here's what it looks like. Also, I might note that you don't have to spray glue on the backside. I just did for convenience reasons because I'm going to be flipping it over and I'm going to be painting this. I've cleaned it several times. I'll go back over it one more time with alcohol, cut all this stuff out, and I'm going to do a custom console. Center console, I guess, but it's going for the roof console. I think it's what it's called. I don't know. So anyways, that's what it looks like. And yeah, so that's it for that. Stay tuned for what comes next on the headliner. Thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm Irish USMC vet. Semper Fi and Godspeed.